Hello everybody and welcome back to another unboxing. So we're going to start off with this package from the Knittens. This is for cats, and I don't know if you can see this, but out of all the packages, my cat really only tore up this one. So let's see what's in it. Okay, we've got a lot of stuff in here. Okay, to start off, we have the Knittens magnet. We've got a business card. I have a handwritten note. And then let's see what we've got in here. I love the packaging. Okay, this is why one of my cats is pawing. He is in love with catnip, so we've got this catnip spray called Number 5 Meow. Very cute. Then we have this Cativa catnip. And then we have Indie Cat catnip. It also came with this little handmade, very cute little cat toy. I love this. This is super cute. Thank you very much. Next up we have this mystery box. Let's see what's in it. Ooh, okay, I've been waiting for this to come in. This is a guava leave-in conditioner from Ceremonia, so I'm very excited to try this. I think let's open up this big box now. I actually do know that this box is from Snack Feast, so I'm excited to see what's in it. We've got here Show Me the Honey butter flavored chips. Then we have Dragon's Breath, which is ghost pepper jack chips. And then we have Death by Garlic, roasted garlic and onion chips. So we've got 2 of each, so I'm definitely going to try these out. Thank you. Next up, we have this one from Hearts. Let's see what it is. This is also for my cats. Okay, this is what we've got. We've got the Delectable Squeeze hand lickable treats. My cats love treats, and they think this is a good way to interact with them, so I got these. Very excited to see how they like them. I swear it gets harder and harder to hold this stuff up. This is everything that I got today. Super excited to try some of this stuff out and have my cats try it out. Thanks for tuning in for another unboxing, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!